What is up, YouTube? WOMPLY PPP updates. As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. I am bringing you guys the latest and the greatest information. At any time in this video, feel free to drop those comments, concerns below. Let me know where you guys stand as well, because I know a lot of people were waiting on their WOMPLY PPPs. Also, I know a lot of people are actually waiting on banking information, verifying this, verifying that, all that stuff. So I totally understand. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. I'm going to try to help and assist you guys the best way that I can, trying to put you guys in the right direction. I know a lot of people have been asking about Chime, Capital Plus, Bank of America, Huntington, Chase, all these banks. I try to do my best to make playlists on my channel as far as breaking those down on my channel. So if you want to, feel free, watch this full video, go over to my playlist. You'll see them broken down as far as Chime, PPP, SBA, Capital Plus. I try to break them down the best way as I can. If you guys got questions and don't see any of those answers, feel free to drop them below. Like I said, I got a lot of financial institutions who actually watch my content. They love my content. They actually comment in the comment section as well. So it's vital, if you guys got questions, feel free to ask. You never know. You never know. But I will try my best to put you guys in the right direction. I know a lot of people are questioning Capital Plus, and it does look like people have been woken up to get to their funds. Now, the previous video we talked about WOMPLY, we talked about Blue Acorns, and it does look like people have been in the process as far as receiving their funds. Now, those funds does look like they are been coming this week. A lot of people were saying they were funded last night, tonight, and I do want to let you guys know everybody is different. So those funds, even though those funds are different, those funds should be there, hopefully sometime this week. Now, everybody is different, as I always say. So I do want to throw that in the air and make sure that is clear, that everybody is different, but it is possible, guys. It is possible to receive those funds. It is possible to continue to get those updates as well. Now, as I said before, feel free to drop those comments, concerns below if you guys got questions, guys, because that's the best way for you guys to actually be updated and stay updated when it comes to things like this. Continue to drop those questions. Now let's get right to this, because a lot of people have been questioning WOMPLY and Capital Plus. Are the funds out? What's going on exactly? I actually got official screenshots from people saying they have been funded. So if you're waiting on Capital Plus, you're waiting on WOMPLY, it does look like those funds will be hitting your account soon. Now here's a screenshot I have today, and this is just 6 hours ago. They said funded, bid in BF since 6/11, Capital Plus, thank you Jesus. So there you have it. Looks like a lot of people have been woken up to their funds, and I just want to continue to spread the positivity and let you guys know it's still possible, guys. It is still possible for you guys to receive those funds. It's also still possible to receive them after the date. Now, we're going to be talking about extensions. I know a lot of people have been asking me about, are there extensions? What's going on? What exactly, what's going on, right, with these extensions? I will talk about that in the next video, but just know WOMPLY is doing their best and Capital Plus is doing their best to get those funds to you guys. Now, that's probably the easiest way to do that, as far as just remaining positive, guys. Remaining positive and just know your funds are on the way, guys. Your funds are on the way. As I talked about before, if you guys have an SBA loan number, you guys should be in good standings. I talked about in my previous video as well. Somebody was actually just stopped. They just stopped caring, right? And they just said, you know what? If I'm going to get the funds, I'm going to get the funds. They was receiving email after email stating, wait on, verifications, bank verifications, ID verifications, a lot of verifications, and it comes down to them actually being funded. Now, that's a win-win situation, guys. That's how I look at it. Sometimes, the best things come when it's unexpected. The best things come when it's unexpected. People have been stating they've been getting funded when they just stop caring. And I totally understand. It's kind of hard to do when you have a business and your business needs the funds to really just stop caring. But sometimes you got to do that, and especially waiting so long for the wait times and long, you know what I mean, stuff like that. Sometimes it's best if you guys do that. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's best if you guys do that. But just know your funds will be on the way, guys. That's all I can tell you guys as well. Just remain updated. You know what I mean? Remain updated, because if you guys, and I mean that is, make sure you guys are subscribed and like this video, that way you guys are updated, because you guys know some people, like I said, they stop waiting. They just say, you know what, if I'm going to receive the funds, I'm going to receive the funds. You know, that's just how people are looking at it. Then you got some people who actually need the funds, who are checking, they're stressing themselves out each and every day for these funds. And you know what I mean, sometimes that does the opposite. You know what I mean, it just stresses you out, and now you're worried about these funds day in and day out. You know what I mean, sometimes that's not the best thing you can do. You know what I mean, but I totally understand, because you know, it's the business. You know, your business needs your funds. Your business need you know what I mean, you need to get funded. You need to tell your employees this. You need to fund your employees and stuff like that. Now I talked about this in another video as well. If you guys got a loan number, you should be in good standings, guys. I just can't tell you an exact timeline, because every business is different. Everybody is different, meaning your business could be funded quicker than the next business based on little things, just like the amount. You know what I mean, everybody's amount is catered to their business. So when you see people getting funded, they could be getting funded for a lesser amount, and you could be waiting for a higher amount. So that plays a factor as well when it comes to the funds. But as I said, and as Congress reports show, if you guys received those loan numbers, you guys should still be getting funded, and that's just reports. Now I'm gonna talk about the extension here probably in my next video, but if you guys got questions, as I always say, feel free to drop those questions, comments, and concerns below. I will try my best to redirect you guys into the right situation, because a lot of these financial institutions, they watch my content as well. So by them watching my content, it makes it easier to help you guys in the conversation. So hopefully everybody gets funded soon. You know what I mean, I know I kind of rambled on about this, but I just hope everybody gets funded soon. Like I said, I would try my best as well. We can read some of these comments, but just to read this comment again, they said funded, been in BF since 6/11, capital plus, thank you Jesus. Somebody said congrats. So it's a lot of congratulations. You know, they said what big, congrats, still waiting for mine in Wells Fargo. It's gonna come, trust me, I've been waiting for a minute. Applied April 28th. Somebody said same with me, but borrow funded since Friday, and people around me got paid already. Waiting for harvest in Wells Fargo now, like forever. Somebody began to say same. Somebody began to say, how long were you in borrower funded? I've been on borrower funded since Friday. Lender's harvest, and bank is Dime Bank. I'm not too familiar with Dime Bank. If you guys got Dime Bank, feel free to drop the comments below. I will try to help assist you guys, but I'm not 110% sure about Dime Bank. You know, I was trying to do some research on Dime Bank. Maybe that's something I'll have to do. That's the first time I've heard of Dime Bank. You know, so if you guys have Dime Bank, feel free to drop them below. I will try my best to do some more research for you guys and give you guys the latest and the greatest information. Congrats. Somebody said same as others. Been on borrower funded since Friday. Waiting on harvest to fund my Dime Bank. It's very frustrating checking every cent, hoping the money is already there, whereas it's not there. And that's another thing. Like I said, you don't want to stress yourself out checking every single second, which I totally understand it, but it comes to a point where it's only going to stress you out, guys. It's only going to stress you out waiting on the government. But we all know when the government need their money, they need it now, you know. But you know how that goes, right? When you owe the government, they making sure your money is there ASAP. You know what I mean? They making sure for sure they need their money, right? But when it comes down to other people's money, you know how that works, right? I don't want to get to that. You guys know how that works. It could be a slower process, but yeah, it does seem like Dime Bank is the bank people needs to go to. I'm not, like I said, I'm not too sure about Dime Bank. Maybe I need to do some more research on Dime Bank. If you guys got any questions or any updates with Dime Bank, feel free to drop those questions below. I'm not too sure, Dime Bank. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. What is going on, YouTube? My name is QUiNTiN Banks. Of course, I'm about to bring you guys the latest and the greatest updates as far as latest, greatest information. Hope everybody's having a good morning, good day, good night, however or whenever you are seeing this. I hope your day is going good. As we always talk about everything financial, we talk about stimulus checks, we talk about financial freedom, all of that good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about the PPP loans. It does look like people have been getting funded. So if you want to, guys, feel free to drop your comments and concerns below under the comment section. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. Also, let me know if you guys have been funded or not. It seems like a lot of people have been getting funded as of late, which is also a good thing. Always a good thing when people get funded. Now we got another person saying they got funded. Like I always do, I like to talk about real-time results. I like to talk about stuff that's actually going on, because these companies may put out statements just to put out a statement, and sometimes it's not real time. So this is real time. This is actually 2 hours ago. Somebody actually screenshot this, showed me this. Hey, they've got funded. They woke up funded. That's good. So hopefully you guys wake up and get funded as well. Now, at any time, you guys already know financial institutions, they actually watch my content. So at any time, if you guys got questions, like if you got WOMPLY or using Chime, feel free to drop those comments, concerns below. Also, I got a playlist on my channel as well that will actually break down and discuss what's going on, right? It breaks down and discuss exactly what's going on. Now let's get right into this. As I always say, stay loyal, stay blessed.